how do I know that my niche is one people will actually pay for? Like if friends come to me with advice on something, how do I tell if that turns into money?
The easiest way to determine whether or not something will turn into money is just simply to look into your own life and see if there's anything that you've ever paid money for. So, for example, in your case, what's the interest or the passion that you're thinking about making a product on?
I'm really passionate about potentially teaching people how to raise their kids right.
Okay, so you want to raise your kids better. Have you ever bought any type of book or have you ever watched any type of YouTube video or educational material on any social media platform that teaches you how to disciple your kids, how to raise them better, how to be there for them, how to help them grow up to become responsible adults? Anything like that?
Yeah, I've done tons of YouTube videos and books.
Okay, well, there's your answer. It's called the competition validation analysis, right? All you do is you look and see, has someone else already been in the space and sold something successfully? And you only need one, right? If you're like teaching how to teach a cat how to bake a cake, that doesn't make any sense, right? Like there's no market for that and there's no one that teaches that because that's probably impossible to do. That'd be pretty damn hard to teach a cat how to bake a cake, right? The point is, the moment that you see validation that someone else is selling a product, you already have the green light to move forward. Like I remember when I was 21 years old and I was selling a digital product on productivity. I had all of these doubts on could I teach college students how to be successful? And then I remember seeing Ali Abdul, who a lot of people know on YouTube. And he was a medical doctor at the time. He was probably, I was 21, he was maybe like 27, 28, I would imagine. Like I was early 20s, he was late 20s. And he had a productivity course teaching medical students and people that are graduate students. I thought, oh my gosh, he's just an older version of me. I'm probably going to be like that one day in a couple of years. So let me just start and move immediately forward. You don't need permission from anyone. Your permission is just seeing, does someone make content on it? Do people watch that content? And does that person monetize in some type of way? And if so, you move forward. And one additional thing I like to add is don't do a monkey see, monkey do. So for example, most people who make content don't know how to sell digital products the right way. They'll typically make a low ticket $7, $27 thing where they actually don't really monetize the right way. So if I see someone selling a $7 or $27 thing, but it's got crazy high demand, I watch the video, I see comments after comments after comments, there's clearly a lot of interest. I'll look at that and go, okay, he's selling a $27 thing. I'm going to go ahead and turn that into a $297 product or $497 product. And then I'm going to build a high ticket $2,500 product on the back end. And I'm going to turn it into a 10x more profitable business, right? So think through validation, but don't follow things blindly. You can also make your product and your acquisition system significantly better than theirs.